What's up guys, I'm Bella and welcome to another Frog Food. Happy holidays, and today we're going to be testing our skills by drawing anime and realism. And don't ask me how long it took me to draw this title page, which we will only look at for a few seconds. It was 2 hours, but it was worth it. First, we're gonna draw an anime girl, and then we're gonna see if we can draw her again in realism. So let's get started. For this project, we're using an Apple Pencil and iPad Pro with the app Procreate, and my brush of choice starting out will be this line art brush I made. It's pretty much a souped up technical pen. Let's start by sketching the anime girl.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way, and oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold.
Rough draft is done, now it's time for line art.
Gather around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
Line art is done, and here is our color palette. It's very traditional, warm holiday colors. We're going for a Santa's elf sort of vibe with all these reds and greens. Now it's time to color and shade.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Snowfall frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag?
The anime girl is done. She's really cute, really happy, but I did keep it simple because I know we have to do this all over again in realism. For the record, realism is not what I'm most comfortable with. Anime comes the most naturally to me, but I think we might be able to do this. This time, I want to keep her smiling, but I might close her mouth because teeth are a whole other thing to worry about. Other than that, she's gonna look the same, just in a different art style. So let's get started with the rough draft.
The lights up, 'tis the season. Need no Grinch types, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this, y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks.
Rough draft is done, now it's time for the line art again.
It's my favorite part of it all. When you and me deck the halls, making everything look just like it should.
Line art is done, now it's time to color. The color palette is the same as the anime girl, so we're just gonna use those swatches.
Soon everything is Christmas-fied. Disney bonafide. And so are all of you. Does this
And we're done. Here we have the realistic elf and the anime elf. They both have green eyes, the hairstyle, their hat and their tie, and the lighting is exactly the same. Pros and cons. I will say realism is always, for me, a little easier to start because you've seen a human face before. Proportions are pretty easy. It's not like a lot of work on like the front end. But anime is changing proportions and you have to alter things, and for me it's just a little more difficult to figure out where things go when you're doing that rough draft. However, end result, this one is definitely my favorite. I mean, it's much cleaner, and I am not a realistic artist, so it definitely was more comfortable drawing that one and getting all of the edges super neat and fine. And I mean, you can use harsher lines and whatnot in all your outlining. I mean, yeah, I definitely prefer that. For this one, I actually really like her, but everyone else has told me she's really creepy. So I had to deal with that. This paradox is going on right now. But I do love this area right here, her like lips, chin, and nose area. I mean, that's something that you can't get in anime, is like the 3D like depth that you can get in realism. I mean, the corners of her mouth and like the crease in her lips and like her cheeks. I mean, I could do that in anime, but then it wouldn't be like anime, so I don't. But I do love that area, like right here. Maybe her eyes are the creepy part. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below, are you pro anime or realism? And is she creepy? Because I can't tell anymore. Thank you for joining us for another Frog Food. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and The Frog Vlog. And follow me on Instagram at Bella of MyFroggyStuff to see some more of my art. And we'll see you next time. Bye!
We'll be chilling and having a good time.